Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are making pinwheel samosas. It is very easy recipe, very yummy recipe. Inshallah you will like it. So let's show you how we made this samosas. I hope you will like it. Now we have taken a bowl. In that we have add 1 cup flour and we will steam it. After staining it, we will add 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon cumin, and then half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder. Then we will mix all of the things well. Then we will add some oil in it. Now we will add some water and we will whisk it well with the help of a whisker. Now we prepare the dough. After preparing the dough, we will add some oil on the top of it and we will knead it. Now we will take it out of the bowl and we will knead it again after putting oil on top of it. Now we'll keep this for 1 hour. Here we have in a bowl, we have taken half kg potatoes. Now we'll mash them. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon salt in it, half teaspoon cumin powder. Then we'll add 1 teaspoon cumin. Then we'll add 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon paprika powder, and half teaspoon black pepper powder. Then we will add 1 green chili slice which is medium sized, and we'll add 100 gram green coriander fresh. Then we'll mix it all well with the help of a spoon or your hand. Now we have taken a separate bowl. In that we'll add 3 to 4 tablespoons normal flour. In this we will add water, double the amount of the flour, and we will mix it well until it becomes a mixture, thick mixture. Then we'll add half teaspoon salt. The mixture doesn't need to be thick much, only medium. Now here we have taken the same dough we had made. We made it into a long bread type. In that we added the mixture and then we turned it roll like a roll. Then we'll cut it into small pieces like this. And in some of the rolls we'll also add mozzarella cheese. The kids will like it very much if you add some mozzarella cheese. And we will then again roll it and cut it. You can see. Now here we have taken a deep frying pan. In that we will dip them. First we will dip them in the flour water and then we will prepare it. We will one by one keep adding them into the fry pan. We will fry them till their color changes to golden brown. We will dip all of them into the water of flour which we made. We will also keep mixing them slowly. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will dish it out and our cinnamon rolls recipe is ready. If you like our recipe, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also share it with your friends. Inshallah we will meet with you with another recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Wow, it's very tasty. Thank you.